How to slow-mo a video on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to slow-mo a video on TikTok. So first thing, go to your TikTok application. Now I'm gonna choose one video. Maybe I choose this video. Okay, now I'm gonna save the video. Now go to Google. Now I'm gonna choose this website sgif.com. Top. I'm gonna choose file. Gonna choose this video, upload video. So this is my video, and here you can change the speed of the video, and I'm gonna change also the speed of the sound. Now I'm gonna tap on change video speed. This is the video. It's on slow-mo, and you can download the video on your phone. So this is it. This is how you slow motion a video on TikTok. Hope this video was helpful. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and like.